Hi, my name is Reginald Andre, and I am a cybersecurity expert as well as an IT consultant for developer and construction companies. Today, I wanted to talk about a very common pain point that I hear all the time from construction and developers, and that there is very bad communication when it comes to the project team that's working either at their office or they have to travel from different sites, and the actual construction team, that's the guys and girls that are actually there every day doing the work. Well, in this example, we had one of our clients where they were working on a 40,000 square foot flooring project where they had to replace the carpet and the tile with all new flooring. Well, they put certain rules and check and balances in place that whenever the team that was working there, all the men and women that are actually ripping out the floors, they had to work in phases. And that way they made sure that everything was being done correctly. So when a phase was almost done, one of the team members would have to call the construction manager and say, hey boss, we're going to probably be finished in phase one in about 3 or 4 hours. We're going to need you to come over. That way, when you give us the check mark, we can go ahead and move on to the next phase. And the project manager would get in his car, go through the crazy Miami traffic, go on site, take his phone and take his camera and just start taking pictures. Then from there, he would have to go to another job site, go back to the office, upload everything, put it in a report for his boss to be able to see it, put it in reports for the client, which is the end person, the end user, to be able to see the status of the project as well. Well, this was just causing a lot of headache, as you can imagine. So then what they decided to do is, okay, look, how about if you just have the construction team that is actually there take pictures and send it to the project manager? Makes sense, right? No, because now the project manager was getting inundated with emails of pictures that were causing his mailbox to be full. You had the construction team that claimed they sent the email, but their email was, the pictures were too big. They were trying to send a video that was almost 20 gigs of data, and it just wasn't working out. So then we said, okay, we understand how you're working, and let us give you the solution. And what we did for them was to create a simple file sync and share option, so that when the construction team is about to finish with their phase and they need someone to approve it, all they had to do was take a picture, take the videos, take whatever they needed to do. And on the management side, they actually created folders. So the 40,000 square foot client, let's just say their name is Mosaic Building. And then from there, they can then put a folder called phase one, a folder called phase two, a folder called phase three, etc., etc. And now that construction worker, he would then go take the pictures, take the videos, and from his cell phone, his personal cell phone, we're not making you, with this solution, make it where you have to now buy company cell phones. And from there, all he had to do was install an app, upload that information into that app, and within minutes, hours, depending if it's a large video, but whatever the case is, the most important thing is that the construction manager was able to get all of the information that he needed into the folder that he needed. So that way, when he's doing his reports, he doesn't have to get the email, download it, convert it from one file format to another file format, put it in this folder or put it in another folder for the end user to see it. Now you had the construction worker putting all of that information, making the project manager not go crazy and not go driving all over Miami, because all of that information now is in that folder. So that way, if this construction manager's boss wants to be able to know what's going on with the project, or if the end user, the customer, wants to know what's going on with the project, everything is just now flown into one folder, into subfolders that everybody can now see and everybody can collaborate. So this is something that we can do, and we would love to offer if this is one of the pain points that you're having with your company, where we can help streamline the information, make sure that it's backed up, and most importantly, make sure that the information is secure.